Top 5 reasons your check engine light may be on. One of the biggest fears for car owners is when the check engine light turns on in their dashboard. It indicates that there are issues with the car's engine, and it's difficult to determine the severity of these problems. It could be a quick fix, or it could be a problem that leaves you stranded and costs you thousands of dollars unless it's addressed quickly. Either way, it's important to get to the bottom of the issue as soon as possible. Here are the top 5 most common reasons your check engine light might be on. 1. Problem with your gas cap. Of all the reasons your check engine light might be on, this one could be the easiest and least expensive to fix. In some vehicles, the check engine light comes on if the gas cap is missing, loose, or damaged. Without the gas cap creating an appropriate seal for your fuel system, gas fumes can escape from your vehicle into the atmosphere. This evaporation causes you to lose fuel and have to fill up your vehicle more often. 2. Oxygen sensor malfunction. One of the most common reasons your check engine light may come on is that your oxygen sensor is failing. Your local auto repair shop can replace it for you quickly, which will restore your vehicle's ability to measure unburned oxygen in its exhaust system. Until you replace this part, your engine will burn more fuel than it really has to, which will reduce the vehicle's fuel economy. A new oxygen sensor will also help you prevent damage to your catalytic converter and spark plugs. 3. Faulty spark plugs. Your spark plugs are responsible for igniting fuel in your vehicle's combustion chamber. They get their spark from the ignition coil by way of the spark plug wires. A problem with either your spark plug wires or the spark plugs themselves could cause your check engine light to come on. Ignoring this problem may lead to a clogged catalytic converter, damaged ignition coils, or problems with your oxygen sensor. Healthy spark plugs are also crucial to maintaining your vehicle's power and fuel economy. If you found this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. 4. Bad catalytic converter. The catalytic converter normally fails after other engine problems have been ignored. If yours isn't working, your vehicle will run hot, waste fuel, and stop performing as well as it used to. You also need a functioning catalytic converter to pass an emissions test, since it's responsible for reducing carbon monoxide emissions. 5. Failing aftermarket alarm. If you've recently had an aftermarket alarm added to your vehicle, that could be the reason your check engine light came on. A failing product or bad installation can lead to a host of issues, including failure to start the engine, a drain battery, and more. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.